is what the powder looks like. It smells quite nice actually, which usually I can't say the same for other meal replacement powders I've tried, but yeah, it smells pretty decent. It smells a bit like vanilla. So I filled this up with a bit of water. Do you know if you can see that? And the shaker is in there. Now I'm just gonna put the powder in. I'm only gonna use 1 scoop because I'm doing a taste test right now, but I know that I'll probably throw a few bananas and a few berries into this shake and I'll put it in the blender. But just for you guys, I'll do a taste test straight out of the bag. So 1 scoop, and I'm using about 400 mils of water right there. I'm straight up just gonna take this loop off. Because I'm not gonna be taking this out with me to the gym or anything. Yep, screw it on nice and tight. And now we're just going to give it a nice shake. Thought it would be much louder than this, but it's actually not too bad. It's a good workout for my arms. Let me do my left arm. Giving it the best shake of my life. And I can see that we are basically done. Yeah. Okay. Again, it smells nice, Give it a taste. My goodness. This actually tastes decent. I am pleasantly surprised because like I said, I've not really been into putting a powder in a shaker bottle like this and shaking it up and then drinking it. I just thought, ew, disgusting. And that's probably because of my negative experiences when I first tried out meal replacement powders like years and years ago. But this is drinkable. I was thinking, hey, I might want to put this in the blender with some fruit. Like, literally, can you see? I have my blender cup right here, as well as the blending piece. And yeah, I was just so ready to do that. But honestly, I could drink this as it is, and it's completely fine. I would obviously add more powder because all I did was 1 scoop. I'm not sure how many tablespoons or teaspoons. Was it tablespoons? I'm not sure how many tablespoons is in that scoop, but I'll work it out and see how many calories that I'm getting. But I'm sure that 1 scoop definitely isn't 400 calories. It's probably like 2 or 3 scoops that I need. But honestly, this just tastes like milk. I only mix this with some tap water. And it has a nice, clean, neutral taste to it. There are absolutely no sweeteners. There is nothing artificial in here. There's no maltodextrin. And this is a clean, natural drink, which is everything that I wanted. I'm just really glad that I genuinely enjoy the taste of it. That is the most important thing. Next to it being natural and not having any fillers or any of that shit in it, the taste is just very important for me because I plan to stick with this for years to come. Since 2017, I was using Jimmy Joy. I was using their Plenty Shake, and I just stuck to them because they're the only ones that had a powder that I could actually drink that was palatable for me. I always put it in a blender with some fruit and some milk, and that's good for the extra calorie content. But honestly, the convenience of just putting water and powder into one of these and shaking it up, I've never had that convenience before. I've never used it, right? I always put things in a blender. This is nice, man. I would rate it, probably give it a strong 8 or a 9, and that's saying something because I don't know of any completely natural meal replacement powder in the UK. I've done my research and I haven't come across any. And I think there might have been one that I came across, but their customer service was absolutely whack and their delivery times were just not up to standard, so I kind of don't count them. Yeah, this is the only UK branded meal replacement that is genuinely free from all of those nasty ingredients. And if you're someone that wants to stay away from the maltodextrin, not just as a filler, but you know how some powders just have it at the top of the ingredients list, that's when it's bad, in my opinion. And also the sweeteners, the sucralose. Some powders use stevia, which is deathly. It's absolutely disgusting. Why would you ever? This has a nice clean taste. That's how I would describe it, clean. Bit nutty maybe, only slightly, but the flavors are extremely balanced, and it's not too sweet, it's not too not sweet either. Doesn't have any aftertaste, and no lumps at all, actually, which is amazing. Tastes like milk to me, like it tastes like some kind of vegan plant-based milk. Very nice. Yeah, I think I'm done with this review. The texture is great, and I'm genuinely looking forward to drinking this. This is a real first for me, because who looks forward to drinking a meal in a bottle? Usually you just down it and you think, okay, I got my calories, I got my macronutrients in. But I'm genuinely enjoying this, and I love that I made the purchase and I decided to switch over from Jimmy Joy to Rootana. If you liked today's video, please feel free to subscribe to show your support to the channel, as it would be very appreciated. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.